Hi guys, it's me Swastik, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to get data from Reddit using Python. And we'll be using Praw, the Python Reddit API wrapper for this. Now you need to have an account made, so do that, just sign in or sign up, and then we can start. Let's create an application, reddit.com/prefs/apps, and then click on create an app. Name can be anything. I'm going to call it Praw. Description can also be anything. Make sure it's a script, and about URL can be localhost, and redirect URL can also be localhost, and this is localhost port 8080, and then we can create the app. Now once this is done, we need to install Praw. Now open your terminal and command prompt and then type pip install Praw, and I already have this installed. You must download this, it'll install it for you, and once it's done we can start. Import Praw first, then we can start. So Reddit is praw.reddit, r capital, praw.reddit. Inside of this we will have the client underscore id. We will also need the client secret, so client id, then client secret, client underscore secret. We will also need the username and the password, and then we will also need the user agent. Now let's see, we don't need the comma after that. So the client id is gonna be this, so just copy this, and the client secret key is just this, copy this, and then the username is gonna be your username, which is Python Praw 123 for me, and password Python 123, and then the user agent is anything you want, so I'm gonna just have Python Praw. The user agent doesn't need to be anything, it can be anything, and then we can start. Now let's get a subreddit first. So the subreddit will be reddit.subreddit, and we will get a subreddit with the name of memes. Now let's get the top posts in the subreddit. So subreddit.top. You can also have the new posts. So in the top one we'll pass in a limit, which is going to be how many posts we want. So I'm going to get 5 posts for now. And just to show this, so for each submission in top, we will say, if I can spell this correctly, submission in top, let's print the submission's title. So just to check here, print the submission.title. Now let me just save this and I'll run this and I'll show the output. Let's check if it works. I'll just run this, and as you can see we get the 5 titles. And now let's use this to get the memes in a Discord bot. So let's take this into our bot file, and I'll be using this in my economy manager bot. So I'll just paste this part here, and let's make a command now, which will be simply client command, and then async def meme ctx. Now we will first, now let's just get the rest of this, and then inside of this let's paste this. Oh, we did not copy this. Control X, Control V, select this and hit tab for indentation. Now we can get the memes from this subreddit to the top 5. Let's instead get top 50, and for each submission in top we need to have like a list of all the submissions. So all let's have all, actually all might be a keyword, so let's have something like all submissions, all subs, have it a list. All right, let's save each submission inside of this. So all subs dot append each submission. Then after it's done, we can get one random submission. So our random submission is going to be random dot choice from all subs. Then we can get the name of this, so the name will be the random sub dot title, random sub dot title, and the URL for the image is just going to be random sub dot URL, random sub dot URL. And then we can make an embed. So embed is discord dot embed. Then the title can be the name of that, so the name, and the image, so embed dot add image. The URL can be the URL, and then we can send it. So cdx dot send, we need to await this, actually await cdx dot send the embed. Let's save this, let's run it, and let's check if it works. Before running, you should probably change this to set. This is set image not add image. Now we can save this and run it again. So the bot is ready now. Let's check meme. Let's wait a bit, and as you can see, we get the meme. Now if you like to do this, you could have something like the subreddit as a parameter, set it to default memes, and pass the subreddit inside of this. So people could type something like meme python and they would get a meme from python, r/python. Now I'm just gonna keep it simply memes. You can do it like this as well. I'm just gonna keep it to be just memes. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Goodbye.